Hey, hi, hello everyone. Can you hear me? Please write in the chat if you can hear me. Let's wait for 2 minutes. Let some more people join and we will start the session. So, hey, hi, I think I'm audible and visible. So, today we are going to solve some most important quant questions for MAHCET exam. MAHCET exam is a very important exam for a good B school such as JBIMS from Maharashtra, and quant is one of the most important topic here. So we will see some good methods to solve the questions so that you can maintain your speed as well and you can maintain your accuracy as well. So I will post the question. So let's wait for 2 minutes. Yeah, before posting the question, I want to tell you that Cracku is offering 5 MAHCET mocks, and these mocks are specifically prepared by 100% CAT 100% 5 times Maruti sir and Saili ma'am. So these are very high quality mocks. You will get detailed solutions, analysis and percentile as well. These are very much near to the actual MAHCET pattern, and the difficulty level is also like very much near to the actual MAHCET. I recommend you to go and check these mocks. You can give these mocks and then you can get the percentile, national level percentile, and you can analyze your preparation. Hey, hi, good evening, Shri Hari. Let's wait for 2 minutes and we will pose the questions after that. Meanwhile, if you people have any doubts, you can put it in the chat box. I'll try to answer those doubts as well. Hey, hi, hello Kishan. So yeah, I'm posting the first question. So you have 75 seconds to solve this question. You can give it a try. These questions are pretty close to the actual CET exam. So please try to solve these questions so that you can get a good practice. You can post your answer in the chat box, as well as you can go to cracku.in/live and there you can attempt the question as well. So yeah, we'll solve this question now. So this question says an amount of 5,720 was divided between 3 people P, Q and R such that the ratio between the amount obtained by P and Q is 7:5 respectively, and the ratio between Q and R is 9:7 respectively. Find out the difference between the amount by P and R. So here we have three people, P, Q and R, and total amount they have got is 5,720 rupees. We have given the ratio of amount which P and Q got is in the ratio 7:5, right? Also we have given the ratio between Q and R is 9:7, right? In this question, what we do is that whenever there is a common term, if you see Q is common in both the ratios, we try to equalize this Q in both the ratio. So how do we equalize? We take the LCM of these two numbers, 5 and 9. The LCM of 5 and 9 is 45, right? So what we do is that we equalize Q to 45. To equalize Q to 45, we will multiply the first equation by 9 and the second equation by 5, right? So we will get P is to Q in the first equation 63:45, and in the second equation we will get 45:35, right? Now we can find P is to Q is to R. What is P is to Q is to R? P is to Q is to R is 63:45:35. So 63:45:35. Now the total amount they had got is 5,720. So let us assume that P got 63x, Q got 45x and R got 35x. In total they would have got 143x, correct? We have to find out the difference between amount obtained by P and R. So P had got 63x, R had got 35x. We have to find P minus R. So P minus R is nothing but 28x, right? But how to find x? We know total is 143x, which is nothing equal to 5,720. So from here you will get x is equals to 40. We have to find the value of 28x. So it is nothing but 28 into 40, which is 1120. So option C is the correct answer here. Let us see who has given the correct answer. So Srihari has given the correct answer. Very good, Srihari. We will go to the next question. If you people have any doubt in this question, you can ask it in the chat. So I guess no one has doubt. We will go to the next question now. Please try this question. And guys, please do like this stream, and also share it so that it can so many people can watch it and they can practice through this session. If you guys have any doubts regarding the exam, regarding any section, you can ask it in chat. I'll try to answer them. Okay, now we will solve this question. The question says that A and B started a business with investments of rupees 42,000 and 63,000 respectively. After 4 months, B withdraws from the business. At the end of year, they got rupees 9,600 as total profit. Find the share of B. So basically, whenever we have to find the share of profit in the investment type of question, what do we do? The share of profit of A is to B will be equal to what? It will be investment of A into time that A invested is to investment of B into time for which B invested the amount, right? Now here we can find profit of A is to profit of B is equals to investment of A was 42,000 and we have given that B had withdrew after 4 months but A had kept it, and at the end of year, it means for how many months did A keep it? A keep it for 12 months. Then for B we can write 63,000. B had kept it for 4 months, right? Because he withdrew all his amount after 4 months. So 4. We have to find the ratio here. You don't actually have to multiply, you can directly cut it. So you can divide by 21. 21 2s are 42, 21 3s are 63. From here you can divide 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are, and you can cut 3 from here. So profit of A is to profit of B, you will get 2:1, right? Now total of profit is what? Total is 2 plus 1, 3 parts, right? Out of these 3 parts, B has got the 1 part, right? Total profit is 3 parts, which is equal to 9,600. If 3 parts is 9,600, 1 part will be, it will be 3,200 or 3,200. Hence, option C is the correct answer here. Let us see who has given the correct answer. So, Prasad, Srihari, yeah, very good. You people have given the correct answer. Hey, hi Srihari. Today we have in total 20 questions. We will solve the 20 questions today. If you guys have any doubt in this question, you can post it in chat box. Okay, I guess no one has any doubt. We will go to the next question. Please try to solve this question. If you guys have any doubt regarding your preparation or any section or any concept, you can put it in the chat box and I'll try to answer that. Hey, hi Devesh, you can go to cracku.in/live. There you will get this session, or you can just put your answer in this chat box. I'll try, I'll take the names of those who have given the correct answer. So yeah, let us solve this question. This question says in a class of 45 students, there are 29 boys and the remaining are girls. What is the probability that the first two rankers of the class are both girls? So total number of students in the class are 45. Among them, boys are 29. So girls will be what? Remaining is 16. 45 minus 29. What we are asked? What is the probability that the first two rankers of the class are both girls? Okay. Now, what actually is the probability? Probability is nothing but favorable outcomes divided by total outcomes. First two rankers we have to select from 45 students. So in how many ways can we select? How many total outcomes can be there? So we can write total outcomes as 45. From 45 we have to select 2. So 45 C2. But favorable outcomes will be what? We want girls. They are telling that first two rankers of the class are both girls. So how many girls are there? 16, right? From 16 girls we have to select 2 girls. So 16 C2. What will be 16 C2? 16 C2 is nothing but 16 into 15 divided by 2. What is 45 C2? 45 C2 is nothing but 45 into 44 divided by 2. You can cancel 2. Here 15 ones are 15, 15 threes are 45, 4 4s are 16 and 4 11s are 44. So from here you are getting 4 divided by 3 into 11, which is nothing but 4 by 33. So the probability is 4 by 33, which is nothing but option A. So let us see who has given the correct answer. So again, Shri Hari, Prasad, both of you have given the correct answer. Very good. If you guys have any doubt in this question, please post it in chat box. If you guys don't have any doubts, we will move to the next question. I'll wait for some 15 to 20 seconds and then we can move to the next question. Hey, hi Kishan, sir, time management नहीं हो पा रहा है. Are you talking in like reference to mocks or your preparation? If it is for mocks, what I would say is that if you think that you are stuck in a question for more than a minute, just skip that question and move to the next question and try to like solve the easy question. Like most of the questions will be easy only, but try to get them. Don't try to solve it by putting like a very detailed answer or something. Try to use shortcuts, try to increase the speed of your calculation. If it is regarding the preparation, then what I would say is that if you are working, then please dedicate your weekend timings to the preparation, give mocks, solve many questions, and yeah, that's how you do it. So let us go to the next question. Yeah guys, please solve this question and post your answer in the chat box. Guys, you can go to cracku.in/live. You can attend the session from there and you can actually answer the questions there and get your name on the leaderboard as well. Also, please share and do like this stream so that more and more students can practice from here and get benefited. Okay, let's solve this question now. The question says a card is drawn at a random from a deck of cards. What is the probability that card is red king? So basically, first let's look like how does a deck of card look like. So there are 4 types of cards in a deck of card. And in one deck of cards, there are total 52 cards. There are 13 equal cards in each deck. First is of heart, diamond, spade and club. In each this deck you have one king, one queen, one jack, you have one ace card, and then you have numbered card from 2 to 10. Like this you have total of 13 cards here. So in each of this heart, diamond, spade and club you have one king each. So heart, we have to ask like, is it a red king or not? Among these 4, heart and diamond are of red color, spade and club is of black color. So how many red kings are there, right? There will be one red king in heart, there will be another red king in diamond. So there are 2 red kings, right? And how many total cards are there? Total cards are 52. But wait, this is nothing but probability, right? Probability is nothing but the favorable outcomes divided by total outcomes. So 2 by 52 is nothing but 1 by 26, which is option B. Hence option B is the correct choice here. Let us see who has given the correct answers. So yeah, again Prasad, Anurag, Srihari, Kishan, you people have given the correct answer. Yep. If you guys have any doubt regarding this question, please post it in the chat box. I will try to answer that. If not, we will move to the next question. Okay, I guess you guys don't have any doubts. Let's move to the next question. So yeah, please give it a try, guys. Okay, let's solve this question now. Question says, in how many ways can a debate team consisting of 2 boys and 3 girls be formed from 6 boys and 9 girls? Okay, debate team consisting of 2 boys and 3 girls. So total there are 5 people, right? There are 2 boys, B1 and B2. There are 3 girls, G1, G2 and G3. These 3 girls are getting selected from 9 and these 2 boys are getting selected from 6. So in how many ways can we select these 2 boys? We can select them in 6C2 multiplied by How many ways we can select these 3 girls from 9 girls? It is 9C3. What is 6C2? 6C2 is nothing but 6 into 5 divided by 2. What is 9C3? 9C3 is nothing but 9 into 8 into 7 divided by 3 factorial. 3 factorial is nothing but 6. So you multiply these things, you get 20 into 63, which is nothing but 1260. So in how many ways can we form this team? We can form this team in 1260 ways. If you guys have any doubt regarding this question, you can ask. Also, I will write the formula of NCR. NCR nothing but selecting R objects from total of N objects is nothing but N factorial divided by R factorial into N minus R factorial. Okay, Anurag and Srihari again has given the correct answers. Okay, if you guys have any doubt in this question, you can post it in chat box. I will try to answer that. If not, we will move to the next question. Okay, I guess you people don't okay, repeat this question. Yukta is telling. Okay, Yukta, see, in this question what we are asked, we have to form a committee or team, a debate team we have to form. What it should contain? It should include 2 boys and 3 girls. Okay, so in total there should be 5 people, right? Among them 2 are boys and 3 are what? Girls. But we have to select these 2 boys from total of 6 boys. We have total of 6 boys. Among them we have to select 2 boys. In these 3 girls, we have to select them from total of 9 girls. From total of 9 girls, we have to select 3 girls. So in how many ways can we select 2 boys from total of 6 boys? We can select from 6C2 ways. We have to select 3 girls from total of 9 girls. In how many ways can we do that? We can do that from 9C3 ways. I have told what is NCR. NCR is nothing but selecting R entities from total of N entities. It is nothing but N factorial divided by R factorial into N minus R factorial. What is 6C2? 6C2 is nothing but 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 4 factorial, multiplied by 9 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 6 factorial, right? How can we write this thing? 6 factorial is nothing but 6 into 5 into 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 4 factorial. 9 factorial is 9, 8, 7 into 6 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 6 factorial. We can cancel this 4 factorial from here, 6 factorial from here. From here we get 6 into 5 divided by 2 multiplied by 9, 8, 7 divided by 6. We can cancel this 6. We can divide this 8 by 2. From here we get 5 into 9 into 4 into 7. So 5 into 4 is 20. 9 into 7 is 63. So total is 1260. So in how many ways can we select the team? We can select it in 1260 ways, which is option number D. If you guys still have doubt, you can ask it in chat box. If not, we will move to the next question. Okay, I guess Yukta, is it okay now, or you want me to repeat it again? If yes, then you can post it in chat box that yes, it's clear, and then we can move to the next question. I think we can move to the next question now. So yeah, solve this question, guys. Okay, Yukta, thank you. It's clear. Okay, let's solve this question now. Shri Hari has given the correct answer. What does this say? It says that in how many ways can we arrange the letters of word education such that C and A always appear together? Okay, now we have to do the arrangement. In last question, what we did selection of people, selection of boys, selection of girls, and then we made a committee. But here we have to arrange in how many ways we can arrange it. So we have word E, D, U, C, A, T, I, O, N. If you observe, all E, D, U, C, A, T, I, O, and N are what? They are distinct, right? But what does question say? Question says that C and A always appear together. So let us make C and A as a block, and let's write other letters. So EDU, T, I, O, and N. Now, how many entities we have? We have 1, 2, 3. This will be counted as one entity because they are always together. This is 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total we have 8. To arrange the 8 entities, 8 different entities, in how many ways can we do that? We can do that in 8 factorial ways. But wait, this CA to be together, it can be CA or it can be AC, right? So inside them they can be arranged in 2 ways. So which is nothing but 2 factorial. 2 factorial is what? 2 factorial is nothing but 2. So we can do it as 2 into 8 factorial. So total arrangement possible are 2 into 8 factorial, which is option number C. So Shri Hari has given the correct answer and Anurag has given the correct answer. Very good, both of you. If you guys have any doubt in this question, you can ask. Okay, I think we should go to the next question. Okay, solve this question, guys. Okay. Shri Hari, Prasad and Yukta, you people have given correct answers. Very good. Let's solve this question. What does this question say? We have to find the value of x plus y plus z. And we have given two equations. What are those two equations? 4x plus 7y plus 10z is equals to 11. And second equation is what? 5x plus 9y plus 13z is equal to 10. Right? If you observe carefully to this equation, if we multiply first equation by 4, what do we get? We get 16x plus 28y plus 40z is equals to 44. If we multiply second equation by 3, what do we get? We get 15x plus 27y plus 39z is equals to 30, right? If you subtract this second equation from the first, you get 16x minus 15x, which is x, 28y minus 27y, which is y, 40z minus 39z, which is nothing but z, is equals to 44 minus 30, which is 14. And what were we asked? We were asked x plus y plus z, which is nothing but 14. Hence, option number C is the correct choice here. So if you just observe it carefully, you can solve it fast. There are other ways to solve this question. Very lengthy ways are there. You have to assume this as a and b, then you find the value of a and b, and then you write the solution. But in exams like MAHCET, your observation skills are very much important. How can you get x plus y plus z? What small multiples you can use to get to that value? If you guys have any doubt in this question, then you can ask. Yeah, Kishan has also given correct answer. Very good, Kishan. If you guys don't have any doubts, we will move to the next question. Okay, I guess you people don't have any doubt. Let's go to the next question. Yeah, before going to the next question, please do visit the Cracku MAHCET previous paper. Here you can give MAH previous paper in a PDF format, also in a mock format, so that you can practice them in a mock format. You will get detailed solutions, you will get analysis and percentile, and yeah, you can practice a lot from here. So please search Cracku MAHCET previous paper and you can solve there. So let us move to the next question. Yeah, please solve this question. Anurag is asking, sir, how to determine, okay, which number to multiply. So Anurag, in the previous question, this question number 8, you can do it by observation, but there is one more method which I will tell you. 4x plus 7y plus 10z is equals to 11, right? And second is 5x plus 9y plus 13z is equals to 10. Let us say you multiply first equation by a. What you get? You get 4ax plus 7ay plus 10az is equals to 11a. You multiply second equation by b. You get 5bx plus 9by plus 13bz is equals to 10b. Right? Now add both of this. What you get? 4a plus 5bx, 7a plus 9by plus 10a plus 13bz is equals to 11a plus 10b, right? But what do you want? You want x plus y plus z. So coefficient of x is 1, here also 1 and here also 1. So just let us equate this thing as 1, 4a plus 5b equals to 1, and another one 7a plus 9b is equal to 1, right? Now you can eliminate any variable. Let us eliminate this a variable, multiply this by 7 and this by 4, you get 28a plus 35b is equals to 7. From here you get 28a plus 36b is equals to 4. From here you can subtract second equation from the first, you get minus b is equals to 3. So b equals to minus 3. If you substitute this b equals to minus 3 in this equation, you will get 4a minus 15 equals to 1. From here you get 4a is equals to 16, a is equals to 4. So you got a equals to 4 and b equals to minus 3. What value you have to find? You have to find this value, 11a plus 10b. A was 4, which is 44, b was minus 3, so 10b will be minus 30 and the answer will be 14. This is a very long method. That's why I told you, if you observe, these are very small numbers, these are not very big numbers, so the multiples of those numbers will also be small. Hence you can, just by little bit observation, you can find those numbers easily. So yeah, okay, let us solve this question. Yukta and Srihari has given the correct answer. Very good, guys. In this question we are asked the average weight of 24 students in a class is 48 kg. If the weights of 2 more students who weigh 60 kg and the weight of a teacher are considered, the average becomes 50 kg. Find the weight of the teacher. Okay, first let us find weight of 24 students. Right? What will it be? It will be number of students into average weight. This is what? This is nothing but 576 into 2. This is nothing but 1152. Now what happened is that 2 students who weigh 60 kg each. So 2 students are there who weigh 60 kg each. It means total weight is what? 120 kg. And one teacher, we don't know his weight, let us assume x, is added, and now total average weight becomes 50 kg, right? So now how many total people do we have? We have first 24 students, then 2 students and 1 teacher. Total 27 people have average weight equals to 50. What will be the total weight? It will be 27 into 50, which is 1350 kg. Now we can write 1350 is equals to weight of all 24 students, which is 1152, weight of these 2 students, which is total 120 kg, and weight of teacher, which is x. From here if you find x, you will get it as 78 kg. So the weight of teacher is here 78 kg, which is option number D. If you guys have any doubt in this question, you can ask. Yes, Anurag, we have to use hit and trial with previous question because in MAHCET we don't have a lot of time. Here speed and observation are very much important. If you guys have any doubt in this question, please ask it. If not, we will move to the next question. I guess you guys don't have any doubts. So yeah, let's go to the next question. Please give this question a try, guys. Okay, let us solve this question, guys. This question says a class consists of 30 students. In physics paper, average marks scored by entire class is 82. If the highest and lowest scores are omitted, then the average is 83. If maximum marks that can be scored in the paper is 100, find out the lowest marks that can be scored in the test. Okay, so 30 students scored average of 82 marks. So what is the total marks? Total marks will be 30 into 82, which is nothing but 2460. Right? Now, if highest and lowest scores are omitted, then the average is 83. Fine. It means if two scores are omitted, we have total of 28 students, average becomes 83. From here we get 83 into 28, which is 2324. Right? Now this 2324 plus highest mark plus lowest mark is nothing but total marks, which is 2460. Right? From here we get highest plus lowest is equals to 2460 minus 23240 will be 136. It is told that highest can be scored is 100. We have to find the lowest possible mark. So let us put h equals to 100 plus l equals to 136. L is equals to 36. If you guys have any doubt in this question, you can ask. The answer is 36, which is option number C. So yeah, Sham has given the correct answer. Srihari has given the correct answer. Very good, guys. If you guys don't have any doubt in this, we will move to the next question. Also, if you guys know the allegations, you can solve it using allegations as well. Please give it a try with allegations. Okay, let us try to solve this by allegations as well. How do we do that? We have 28 students scoring 83. We don't know these two students, H plus L. How much did they score? Let us put as X. And their average is what? It's 30. Right? So from here, we get 83 minus 30. Okay, sorry, it's 82, not 30. 82 average, right? From here we get 83 minus 82, which is 1 divided by 82 minus x is equals to 2 by 28. From here you get 14 is equals to 82 minus x. From here you get x is equals to 868, right? So 68 is the average of highest and lowest score. So highest plus lowest, average is 68. From here you will get highest plus lowest as 136. Now again you can put h equals to 100, you will get L equals to 36. Using allegations also you can solve this. So let's move to the next question. Please solve this question. Okay, let us solve these questions. So this question says Hemant joins a company as assistant manager. He earns 30,000 per month. His saving and expenditure are in the ratio 2:3. If his salary increases by 50% and savings increases by 100%, what is the new ratio of his saving to expenditure? So basically total salary is nothing but sum of savings plus expenditure. So initially his salary was 30,000. His savings and expenditure were in the ratio 2:3. Total parts is 5. If 5 parts is 30,000, 2 parts will be 12,000, 3 parts will be 18,000. So this is salary, this is saving, this is expenditure. It's told that his salary increased by 50%. Now 30,000 is increased by 50%. 50% of 30,000 is nothing but 15,000. So salary is increased by 15,000. Now it became 45,000. And savings increased by 100%. It means 12,000 is again increased by 12,000, which is nothing but 24,000. What will be expenditure? Salary minus saving, which is 21,000. What we have to find? Ratio of savings to expenditure. So 24,000 is to 21,000, we get 8:7. Hence option number C is the correct choice here. If you guys have any doubt in this question, please tell. Yeah, Anurag, Sham, Srihari, all of you have given the correct answer. Very good. If you guys have any doubt in this question, please tell. Otherwise, we will move to the next question. I think you don't have any doubt, so let's move to the next question. Yeah, please give it a try. Let us solve this question, guys. In this question, it is asked ratio of two solutions. There are two solutions. They are made of water and alcohol. Let us assume X and Y. We have water and alcohol, water and alcohol. In first solution, it is 2:5. Second solution, 2:1. They are mixed together such that it contains an equal volume of water and alcohol. So whatever the equation or solution Z is made, it has water and alcohol in 1:1 ratio, equal ratio. Correct? We have to find in what ratio X and Y should be mixed. We can simply find it by allegations. Let us apply the allegation on water part. So water is 2 parts out of total 7 parts in X. 2 out of 7 parts. In Y, water is 2 out of 3 parts. And in solution Z, water is what? 1 out of total 2 parts. Just apply the allegations here. What we will get here? We will get 2/3 minus 1/2 is nothing but 1/6. From here you will get 3/14. So ratio of X is to Y is nothing but 1/6 is to 3/14. Multiply by the LCM of 6 and 14, which is nothing but 42. So if we multiply by 42, we get 7:9. So x is to y should be mixed in 7:9 ratio, which is option number B here. So option number B is the correct choice here. If you guys have any doubt in this question, please ask. Yeah, Sham, Shri Hari, Anurag, you people have given the correct answer. Very good. If you guys have any doubt, please ask. If not, we will move to the next question. I think you guys don't have any doubts. Let's move to the next question. Yeah, please give it a try. Please do like the stream, guys, and share it with your friends. Yes, Anurag, correct answer. You have given the correct answer. Okay, let us solve this question now. The question says an equal amount of sum was invested in two schemes for 2 years. Scheme A gave simple interest on 8% per annum and scheme B gave compound interest on 10% per annum. After 2 years, the difference in the interest was rupees 110. Find the amount invested in the each of this scheme. Fine. You can solve it by formula, but if you really know the concept of simple interest and compound interest, it's become really easy. Let us assume simple interest and compound interest. Amount invested is equal, right? In both, equal amount of invested. Let us assume rupees 100 and rupees 100 was invested. So this is principal. In first year, interest on this simple interest on this 100 rupees will be what? It is 8% simple interest. So 8 rupees. Similarly for CI, for the first year, SI and CI are equal. So it will be what? 10% per annum. So it will be rupees 10. For the second year, SI stays same, right? SI is 8% only. It applies on principal. So it is rupees 8. But CI applies on the principal plus the interest accrued in previous year. So the interest will be calculated on this 100 rupees, which is 10, plus 10% of 10 as well, which is nothing but 1. It is 11 rupees. After 2 years, what is total simple interest? It is 16 rupees. What is total compound interest? It is 21 rupees. The difference between them is what? 5 rupees. But wait, we have given difference is 110. So we have assumed 100. So if 5 parts is 110, one part is what? 22. So find the amount invested. We had assumed 100 into 22, which is nothing but 2200. This is option number E here. Yes, you can solve it using formula as well, but you have to do some calculations there. Here, if you know the how simple interest and compound interest is calculated on the amount, it becomes really easy here. You don't have to do so many calculations. You can just assume 100, calculate the simple interest, calculate the compound interest, and yeah, that's it. If you guys have any doubt here, you can ask. Anurag and Srihari has given the correct answer. Very good, guys. If not, we will move to the next question. Let's move to the next question. Please solve it. Let us solve this question. The question says, if the rate of fixed deposit, which is calculated on simple interest, changes from 6% to 7.4%, then find the difference in the interest received on the principal of rupees 2,50,000 for 1 year. Now, instead of calculating separately for 6%, then 7.4% and then subtracting, you can directly subtract this rate of interest here, which is nothing but 7.4 minus 6. What is simple interest? It's nothing but P into rate of interest into number of years, which is nothing but 1 divided by 100. So P is nothing but 2,50,000 into 1.4 divided by 100. If you do this multiplication, you get 3,500. So the difference will be what? 3,500. Difference in interest will be this. So instead of calculating this separately, you can directly take the difference of rate of interest and then calculate. So option number D is the correct choice here. Yeah, Anurag has given the correct answer. Even I guess Shri Hari has given the correct answer. Very good, guys. Let's move to the next question if you guys don't have any doubts in this question. I think you guys don't have any doubts. Let's move to the next question. Yeah, before that, go to the Cracku website. There you can get the 5 MAHCET mocks, which are like made by the 5 times CAT 100 percentiler, Maruti sir and Saili ma'am, and they are very good mocks. They are very near to the actual MAHCET pattern. You will get the detailed solutions and analysis as well, and also you can see your percentile there. So please go and take these mocks. Let's go to the next question. Please give this question a try. Let us solve this question, guys. In this question, we are asked, a man can row 9 km in still water. 9 km per hour is his speed in still water. If the river is running at 4 km per hour, it takes 6 hours more to upstream than to go downstream for the same distance. How far is the place? So, speed of man is 9 km per hour. Speed of river is 4 km per hour. What will be his upstream speed? Upstream speed will be m minus r, which is 9 minus 4 is 5 km per hour. What will be his downstream speed? It will be m plus r, which is 9 plus 4, 13 km per hour. Let us assume total distance is d. So upstream he will take d by 5, this much time, which is what? 6 hours more than downstream time, which is d by 13. From here you get d by 5 minus d by 13 is equals to 6. If you calculate it, you get 8d divided by 65 is equals to 6. From here you get d is equals to 6 into 65 divided by 8. If you calculate this, you will get 195 divided by 4, which is 48.75 in kilometers. So total distance is what? 48.75 kilometers, which is option number A here. Okay, I think no one got this correct. That's fine. If you guys have any doubt in this question, you can ask in chat box. If not, we will move to the next question. I think no one has doubt. So let's move to the next question. Please give this question a try. I think Srihari got that question correct. Very good, Srihari. Okay, let us solve this question, guys. In this question, we are asked, in a journey of 160 km, a train covers 120 km at a speed of 80 km per hour and the remaining distance at 40 km per hour. The average speed of train for the whole journey is what? What is average speed? Average speed is nothing but total distance divided by total time. We know total distance is 160 km. Let's calculate the total time here. The train travel 120 km at 80 km per hour. So first time can be 120 by 80, which is nothing but 3 by 2, which is 1.5 hours. Remaining distance is what? 160 minus 120 is 40. It travel at 40 km per hour, which is 1 hour. So total time taken is 2.5 hours. This is 1.5 plus 1 is 2.5. Total distance is 160. Total time taken is 2.5. This will give you 64 km per hour, which is our average speed. So where do we have 64? We have in option number B. Means option number B is the correct choice here. Anurag has given this correct. Yeah, very good, Anurag. Yeah, Srihari has also given it correct. Very good, Srihari. If you guys have any doubt in this question, please ask. If not, we will move to the next question. Okay, there are no doubts. Let's move to the next question. Please give this question a try. Please do like and share this stream so that your friends can also solve this question and do the practice here. So yeah, let's solve this question. In this question, we are asked, A completes 3 units of work in a day. B takes 120 days to complete the work. A would have taken only 80 days to complete the work. Okay, A does 3 units per day and he would have taken how many days? 80 days. So what is total work? Work will be 3 into 80, which is 240 units. And what they tell, B takes 120 days to complete a work. If B takes 120 days, total work is 240. Efficiency of B will be 240 by 120, which is 2 units per day. We are asked if A and B work together, in how many days will the entire work get completed? So A plus B will complete how much work in one day? They will complete 3 plus 2, 5 units. Total work is what? 240 units. If they complete 5 units in a one day, how many days will it take to complete 240? Which is nothing but 240 by 5 equals to 48 days. Hence, option number 4 is the correct choice here. If you guys have any doubt in this question, please ask. Anurag has given the correct answer. Very good, Anurag. And Srihari has also, I think, given the correct answer. Very good, Srihari. If you guys have any doubt, you can ask. If not, we will move to the next question. I think you guys don't have any doubts. Let's move to the next question. Yeah, please give this question a try, guys. Yeah, Anurag has given the answer. Okay, correct, Anurag. Very good. Okay, guys, let's solve this question. This question says 2 pipes A and B can fill a cylindrical tank in 6 minutes and 12 minutes respectively. There is a small leak present in the bottom of the tank which can empty the tank in 24 minutes. So A, B and leak. A can fill in 6 minutes, B can 12 and this leak can empty it in 24 minutes. We will assume LCM of all these times equal to the capacity of tank. So LCM is nothing but 24 units. So 24 units is the capacity of tank. So the efficiency of A will be what? 24 by 6, which is 4 units per minute. Okay. For B it will be 2 units per minute. And for L it will be 1 unit per minute. Now if the tank is empty, there is no water and both the pipes are open together. So both pipes are working, both pipes are filling. So how much they will fill? They will fill 6 units per minute. But leak is also there. So leak will reduce, it will do the negative work, which is 1 unit per minute. So in 1 minute you will get 5 units of tank filled. You have total 24 units. So total time taken will be what? 24 by 5 minutes, which is nothing but 4 plus 4 by 5 minutes. What is 4 by 5 minutes? If you multiply it by 60, you will get it as 48 seconds. So you have 4 minutes and 48 seconds your tank will get filled completely. Hence, option number E is the correct choice here. If you guys have any doubt in this question, please post it in chat box. I will try to answer that. Anurag had given the correct answer for this, and Shri Hari has also given the correct answer. Very good, both of you. If you guys don't have any doubt, let us move to the next question. Please give this question a try, guys. Let us solve this question. This says a cube of side 20 centimeter is painted yellow and is cut into small cube of side 4 centimeter each, 5 centimeter each. What is the number of cubes with no side painted yellow? Right? So 20 centimeter is this side, and you are cutting it in 5, 5, 5, and 5. So from one side, how many you will get? 20 by 5, which is nothing but 4. So you get 4 units of cube from one side. Let us assume it as n. Now, what is the number of cubes with no side painted yellow? There is a formula for the number of cubes with no side painted as yellow, which is nothing but n minus 2 cube. So here n is 4, which is 4 minus 2 cube is nothing but equal to 8. So option number C is the correct answer here. Okay, if you guys have any doubt in this question, please ask. If not, we will move to the next question. I think there are no doubts. We will move to the next question. You can ask your doubts anytime. You can post it in our doubt section at Cracku website, or you can post it in a chat box. Let's move to the next question. After this, we have one more question left, and then we will end the stream. If you guys have any doubt in this question, please ask. Okay, let us solve this question. The question says HCF of two numbers is 21, LCM of two numbers is 504. If the product of numbers is divided by 11, what is the remainder? Okay. We know HCF into LCM of two numbers is nothing but product of those numbers, right? So what will be the product of numbers? P will be equal to HCF is 21, LCM is 504. This product is divided by 11. We have asked what is the remainder here. So if you multiply 504 by 21, you get right. You get I think I did some mistake here. 21 into 84 and 105 divided by 11, right? Now from here, if you divide by 11, what you will get? You will get 11 nines are, so here the remainder will be 6, 11 sixths are, remainder will be 2, 11 twos are, remainder will be 2 again. So your remainder is 2, which is option number C. Yes, Anurag has given the correct answer and Srihari has given the correct answer. Very good, guys. If you guys have any doubt in this, please ask. If not, we'll move to the last question. I guess you guys don't have any doubts. Let's move to the next question. Okay, this is the last question, guys. Please give this question a try. Yes, Anurag, C is the answer. Very good. Okay, let us solve this question. A shopkeeper marks up the price of the items by 50%. Okay. To attract the customers, he gave the offer buy 3 and get 1 free. What will his overall profit or loss if a customer chooses to avail this offer? Fine. Let us assume the cost price was rupees 100. He marked it up by 50%. Cost price and marked it up by 50%, 150, and he's selling at this price. Okay. To attract the customer, what he does? He says buy 3 and get 1 free. So he will take money from the customer for only 3 shirts. So if price of 1 shirt is 150 rupees, for 3 shirts it will be, total selling price will be 150 into 3, which is nothing but 450 rupees. But he gives 1 shirt free there. So he is being costed for 4 shirts. 3 shirts plus 1 shirt free. And cost price for 1 shirt is 100 rupees. For 4 shirt it will be, total cost price will be 4 into 100, which is nothing but 400 rupees. What is, now his selling price is more than cost price. So obviously he has got profit. So profit percentage is equals to SP minus CP, which is 50 divided by 400 into 100. From here you get 50 by 4, which is nothing but 12.5%. So his profit percentage is nothing but 12.5%, which is option number C. If you guys have any doubt in this question or any previous questions, please ask. This was the last question. And yeah, again I would tell you, please go to Google, search Cracku MAHCET previous papers. There you can give these papers in the mock format. You will get detailed solutions, you will get a proper analysis, you will get a percentile, and this will be a very good thing. Practicing PYQs is a very good thing because most of the questions get repeated, most of the questions follow the same pattern from the previous year question. If you give it in a mock format on Cracku MAHCET previous papers, you can get detailed solution, detailed analysis, and also percentile. So please do check this and please do attempt these mocks. If you guys have any doubts, then please tell. If not, we will end the session here. I think there are no doubts. So yeah, we will end the session here. Thank you so much guys for joining and keep practicing. Best of luck all of you. Thank you, Shri Hari.